Welcome to Best Choice. The best tree bag with wheels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who frequently moves or transports Christmas trees, especially during the holiday season. Imagine the struggle of dragging a heavy, prickly tree across your living room floor, only to face the same ordeal when it's time to dispose of it. This innovative product aims to eliminate that hassle, offering a convenient and efficient solution for tree handling, making your festive preparations and cleanup significantly smoother and less physically demanding. Number 5. Zober Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound. Our storage bag shields it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it looks perfect year after year. Crafted from strong, waterproof plastic, this bag offers reliable protection. It's built to last, safeguarding your tree through every season. Strong, durable handles make carrying your tree a breeze. Transport and store it with ease, without any hassle. Designed to accommodate most 7.5-foot artificial Christmas trees. It provides ample space for a secure and snug fit. A handy label card slot lets you easily identify its contents. No more guessing which box holds your tree. Ensure your tree is protected and ready for display when the holidays return. Enjoy a hassle-free setup every time. What we like. This bag offers excellent protection against dust and moisture, keeping your tree pristine. If you have a standard 7.5-foot tree and prioritize simple, effective protection, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want a no-fuss solution for storing their tree safely. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around. It's a good size for storing multiple bags of leaves. The bag is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 4. Zober 9-foot large Christmas tree storage bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound. Our bags shield it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it looks perfect for years to come. Crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof plastic, this storage solution is designed for long-lasting durability. It's built to protect your tree through many holiday seasons. Moving your tree is a breeze with its strong, reinforced handles. Transporting it from storage to your living room has never been easier. Never forget what's inside. An attached card slot lets you easily label and identify the contents, so you always know which tree is which. The wide opening with a dual zipper makes placing and removing your tree simple. Just unfold it and store your tree with ease, no assembly needed. What we like. This option is built to last with its heavy-duty, waterproof construction and accommodates larger 9-foot trees. If you have a taller tree and need a durable bag that's easy to load and unload, this is the one. Its reinforced handles and wide opening make storage a breeze. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around. It's a good size for storing holiday decorations. The bag is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Christmas Tree Storage Bag, Green. This bag is designed to accommodate trees up to 9 feet tall. It even has extra space for your tree toppers and lights, making holiday storage a breeze. With a double-pull zipper and sturdy handles, loading and carrying your tree has never been easier. Storage is truly hassle-free. Crafted from a sturdy, tarp-like material, this bag maintains its shape even when full. It's built to last for many holiday seasons to come. Keep your valuable holiday decorations safe from dust, moisture, and pests. You can store your tree with confidence, knowing it will be in perfect condition for next year. Its generous size and durable construction make it perfect for storing other holiday decorations, outdoor cushions, or even for use as a moving bag. What we like. Designed for up to 9-foot trees, this bag offers ample space for extra decorations too. If you're looking for a versatile storage solution that can hold more than just your tree, consider this. Its sturdy, tarp-like material ensures it retains its shape and protects your holiday items. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around. It's a good size for storing multiple bags of leaves. The bag is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. Zober 600D Oxford Fabric Rolling Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe and sound with our durable storage solution. It's designed to shield your tree from dust, moisture, and damage. With sturdy handles and smooth rolling wheels, moving and storing your tree has never been easier. It's ready for festive seasons to come. This bag comfortably fits artificial trees up to 7.5 feet tall. The zipper closure ensures a snug and secure fit, keeping everything protected. Crafted from robust 600D Oxford fabric, it offers excellent protection against the elements. Its waterproof nature ensures your tree stays dry. Featuring a handy card slot for easy identification, this bag makes storage a breeze. It's the perfect way to preserve your holiday centerpiece. Trust Zober for quality holiday storage solutions. This rolling bag is built for durability and convenience, year after year. What we like. This bag features wheels, making it incredibly easy to move your tree around, even when fully packed. If you have a 7.5-foot tree and struggle with lifting or dragging heavy storage bags, this is a game changer. It offers great protection while significantly reducing the effort needed for transport. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around. It's a good size for storing holiday decorations. The bag is sturdy and well made. Number 1. Holiday Spirit Heavy-Duty Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This spacious bag easily accommodates most artificial trees up to 7.5 feet tall. It offers ample room for garlands and lights, keeping all your festive decor neatly organized in one place. Crafted from thick, heavy-duty Oxford canvas, it shields your tree from moisture, dust, and pests. It's the ideal solution for protecting your holiday decorations in attics, basements, or storage rooms. Featuring triple-stitched reinforced straps, carrying your tree is made easy. These durable handles allow for comfortable lifting and transport, even when the bag is full and heavy. The wide opening, secured by strong dual zippers, makes packing and unpacking a breeze. It's a reliable and convenient upgrade from traditional cardboard boxes or flimsy storage bins. Designed for long-term use, this bag offers exceptional durability and organization year after year. What we like. Crafted from thick Oxford canvas, this bag provides robust protection for your 7.5-foot tree and extra decor. If you need a heavy-duty, long-lasting storage solution and appreciate reinforced handles for secure lifting, this is an excellent choice. It's built for durability and ease of use, perfect for frequent storage and retrieval. What people say. The wheels make it easy to move around. It holds a lot of stuff and is very sturdy. The bag is well made and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.